Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. Thank you for checking out the video today. So, I just kind of wanted to share some behind-the-scenes footage with you. So, a few weeks ago, I was able to go down to Dallas, Texas. I was down there for family, and I was able to hook up with a few photographers and some models down there and do kind of like an impromptu photo shoot. And I had a really, really good time. And it's always a good time when you go out, meet with other photographers and share your knowledge, share your experience and everything, and just teach what you have. And I wish more people would do that more often. But we had a great time down there, down in Dallas, Texas. So I just wanted to give you some behind the footage scene of what took place down there. Now, of course, this is not my photo shoot with one of my models. These are models that I've never shot with before. Never really worked with these people before, but we had a really, really good time. Got some really good shots. And you will see from some of the pictures that I took, I was also able to use some of my presets from my brand new preset pack, Sun and Skies. So definitely go check that preset pack out. It is available now on my website. Go to www.brandoncolephotos.com and pick up the brand new preset pack. It is an amazing preset pack because it is from a photographer who shoots on location all the time. So the presets that are made for this really helps you with some of those sky shots, some of those sun shots, and just being on location. So go check that out. But without further ado, here's some behind the scenes footage of my walk in Dallas, Texas. Let's go. We got here. Richard, what you shooting with, bro?
A7RV.
A7RV. With the Sony 85-18.
Yes.
Here we go. And our model today is
Ivory. I go by Ivory and Modeling on Instagram.
nice. And what's your Instagram?
Here.
What's your Instagram handle?
Ivory and Modeling.
Ivory and Modeling. Thank you for coming out to model for us today down here in Texas. Oh my God, we're getting some little sprinkles right now. What are we doing here? Quit running. What's your name?
Ondrea.
Ondrea. What's your Instagram?
Ondrea Fitzpo. Ondrea Fitz SPO.
Nice. Thank you for coming out to model for us today. We appreciate it. We appreciate it. Thank you. And the man with the plan right over here. Appreciate all his coordination, everybody. Who we got right here?
This is Walking the Light on Instagram. And came out to hang out with Brandon. I shot with him up in his photo walk, and it was amazing. So learned a lot. And
now we're down here in Texas.
he said
all
he was
the
coming.
way.
I said I'll be there. Don't even
Let's
worry
get
about
it.
I'll be there.
And we got one more over here.
Hi, my name is Manuela, and I am following the footsteps of these amazing photographers, learning some new techniques and how to shoot
There you go.
flash.
There you go. And we got to get the shoes right here. Those are Nikes though, so we good. She's good.
To Texas.
Yeah.
Welcome to Texas. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Love it. Oh, fire. Look straight past me. All right, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Like that. Right there. Good. Right there. And 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. I'm going to get one more shot. Good. All right, there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Bring your chin down a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Actually, bring that hand down. Actually, grab your scarf for me real quick. Grab your scarf. Perfect. Look straight out past him. Good. Actually, turn your head towards me. Right there. Good. Beautiful. Where you at? Come here. Let me show you how we do this. All right, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. See, one of my biggest things about shooting, since you have me down here, I'm gonna show you some tricks. My thing about shooting is, first of all, I already exposed to Miami and everything, but most of it is about the composition.
Okay.
So I see a lot of, like, when y'all shoot, I see a lot of y'all shots. Like, I never shoot a model straight on. If anybody's ever seen me, you will never see me shoot a model straight like this.
Right.
Every time I shoot, you can go back to your post. Every time I shoot, I'm either doing something up here, or I'm doing something down here, something to get some type of some type of like drama.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Stay right there, look back down. Perfect, right there. But it's only about composition. It's a trick.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then also when you shoot, you also gotta make sure you have enough on your left side of her and the right side, and make sure you have a little bit above her head.
Okay.
Anytime I shoot, you're always gonna notice that I have room on the side of her and I have room on top of her.
Okay.
For anytime I want to crop or social media or anything like that. Unless I'm doing like a headshot, I'll get close to her, but stay right there. I see where her elbow is on that side.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna go over there. And then I see where her hood is over here. So that's gonna be perfect for me. I can shoot her like that and I got room above her head. All I gotta do is take the shot, stay right there. Now look past me. Now see, I'm gonna show you, stay right there. See, this was a good shot, but I'm gonna tell you why I didn't like it, because a lot of times when models look down at the light, you see where the light is at?
Yeah.
So I automatically knew it was gonna be a bad shot, because when she looked down, her eyes came down and it made her eyes black.
Yeah.
So to compensate that, all I do is take the same shot, bring your chin down. Right. See, now and I already told her, look past me. You see where her eyes is?
Yeah.
You can see the whites of her eyes. That means the flash is gonna put light in her eyes. Now all I gotta do is take the shot. Here you go, 3, 2, 1. See, now you see the difference between this one,
Yeah.
and now you can see the whites of her eyes versus this
Oh
one.
yeah. I can definitely see it.
And that's what you want. Is now, again, I don't necessarily always have to shoot where I can see her eyes, but it just makes for a better picture.
Yeah.
You know, in a
the
better
only
composition.
thing about that down here is we get a lot of models that like to wear like the long eyelashes, and so it messes us up.
I be like, no.
Bad. Sorry guys, I'm sorry guys.
Oh, wow.
But that messes us up so bad.
Look, it depends, man. If you shoot those ones that are just like straight hood, yeah, you probably gonna get you probably gonna get those eyelashes. I'm just like, nah. But a lot of times, turn to the side now. A lot of times when I'm shooting them, man, they know when I'm about to shoot. I'm like, look, this is what I want. This is what we're gonna do.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta kind of establish that. Otherwise, they just bring whatever and they just dress however.
Right.
I'm like, no, that is not the theme of the shoot today. Good. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's go back. There we go. Good. 3, 2, 1. Turn your head that way. Don't change your pose. Turn your head all the way. Right there. Stop. Good. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1.
That's crazy.
And see this shot. See something like that. It's a nice shot, but I don't like it because I cut off her elbow.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So to alleviate that, only thing I'm gonna do is I'll just come this way. Now you see how she is?
Yeah.
If I move this way, that means her body's gonna get smaller.
Okay.
Look, see?
Yeah.
It's all about composition, man. That's just one of the things as a photographer, you just have to catch it. Dopeness. All right, my time's done. Who's next?
We got cheat sheet.
You got a what?
Cheat sheet.
What?
You can just put your back against the.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Wait, say that in the camera so this can go on my YouTube channel. You got a what? Say it again.
I got cheat sheet.
This dude got
Cheat sheet. I got my plate
Bruh.
on my wrist.
This dude got a cheat sheet. What is your cheat sheet supposed to do? Oh, poses.
Yeah.
He got a phone full of poses. What?
Take notes.
Hey, for all y'all out there who have trouble posing, people, get on phone and screenshot 1,000 poses and just bring it to a photo shoot. We found out what walk in the lights problem is as a photographer. Man. Cheat sheet. cheap phone. Use your environment. Create the poses, create the shot. You don't need no daggone cheat sheet. Our photography forefathers would be turning in their grave if they knew they heard this. I'm appalled. Arching your back a little bit. There you go. Good. Perfect. Good. Now take your head and look straight towards him. Straight past me, right over there. Perfect. Take this hand. We gotta do something with this hand. So we're gonna bring this up. You can grab your shirt. You can like try to like pull it off like you're trying to pull it off your shoulder. Yeah, grab it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, exactly. Good. Head back. Good. Pull down a little bit more. You're good, right there. Pull your shirt down a little bit more. Don't stretch. I don't want you stretching. You're good. Perfect. Right there. Good. Now just get that look in your face, like you see somebody over there. Don't make her laugh. Serious. There you go. Perfect. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. Good. Right here at me. Right here at the camera. Good. Lean your head off. There you go. Perfect. Right there. Beautiful. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good. So look that way now. Keep your head right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Good. Turn sideways now. Good. Your whole body. So come off. Yeah. Lean up. Perfect. Yeah. No. Oh, yeah. No. Lean your shoulder against here. So turn towards me like this. Good. Lean. There we go. Perfect. I love that. Now we're gonna look this way. Perfect. You can hold it. You can hold it. However you want to do it. You're getting it. You're getting it. You're modeling now. There you go. Look that way. No, you can't. You can put both of your thumbs in your belt. There you go. That's good. Love it. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. Keep that passion. Keep that intensity in your face. Gorgeous. Full body. And last one. 3, 2, 1. Dopeness. All right. Who's up? Who's next? Who's shooting? Come on, girl. Come in that camera. Come in the camera. Like cross your body over. Like turn your head like this way. Good. There you go. Good. Right in the green. Yeah. Get in the camera. There you go. Yo, what's up, everybody? It was your boy Brent. I want to thank you guys for checking out this crazy video with my boys down here in Texas, man. I had an amazing time. I want to thank Jerrold, my boy from Walk in the Light. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram, man. I had a great time down here in Texas, man. I was able to come out with a few photographers out here, a few models. I appreciate this brother for setting everything up. And we just had an amazing shoot, man. We was able to collaborate, show a few ideas, show a few tips and tricks, talk to the models, man. And that's what it's about. So I'm gonna let my boy Jerrold talk over here, and make sure you guys go follow him. Here he is.
Yo, what's up, everybody? We appreciate Brandon coming out, showing us love over here in Texas. It's a little chilly, but we came out and got her done, you know what I mean? But yeah, just give me a follow, Walk in the Light. And we got Richard.
Richard's over there doing his thing. Over there doing his thing.
So yeah, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate Brandon coming out.
Yeah.
Appreciate the models coming out. It was a good time. We bared through the cold, so
I know, right?
It's a good deal, man.
Absolutely. All right, man. Until next time, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow my boy Jerrold. Make sure you also go follow Richard too. I'll make sure their information is in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. This is your boy Brandon, aka the Kevin Hart of Photography. We out of here. Peace.